Hello people from YouTube. In this quick little video I wanted to show you how to properly open a Walkman, because I saw a video like of someone breaking it open, and that's obviously not the correct way, because there are little tabs inside that you will break off. It's actually pretty easy to spot how you have to open it. For example, this Walkman, you just open the lid and then you look inside there. I'll get a flashlight. There we go. You see these little tabs with arrows pointing towards them. Like there's one, and there's one. There's also one there, but it's pretty hard to reach. And there's in this one, there's one right here. So what you need to do is, of course, take out any batteries that are still in there. Then you just take your screwdriver, a flathead, and you poke it just with the right amount of force. This one is a bit different, you have to push it in sideways. There we go. And then this one, let's see, it's a more difficult one. Come on. There we go. Then you just gently pull it apart. And there we go. You might still break off a few clips, but it's much better than just pulling it apart or prying it open with a screwdriver. And now you can replace the belt and lubricate the little gears. And for example, this one, it's basically the same. The tabs are just in a slightly different place. But it all comes down to the same little principle. Or principle, I don't know what I'm saying. Now the sealed off ones are a bit more difficult. For example, this little guy, I hope the belts don't die anytime soon, otherwise I'm gonna cry, because this looks like a tough little guy to open. But other than that, the plasticky ones like these are fairly easy to open. And well, I hope you learned something from this one. So bye bye.